Hey everyone, I'm GVA3D. In this video I'm going to design an SD card holder. I'm new to FreeCAD and still a beginner, so I'm just figuring out as I go. I found a simple tutorial for beginners. It shows how to make this SD card holder step by step. I'll put the link to that video in the description. The creator explains everything very clearly. Let's open a new file. First, I'll create a sketch and add a body. I'll pick the XY plane to draw on. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle. I started in the center, which was a small mistake. I should have started my rectangle around the center and not on the center. But I'll fix it later. You can see the lines are not fixed yet. We need to add constraints to lock them in place. I'll set the distance on each side. These are the measurements from the tutorial. The width is 29 millimeters. The height is 42.8 millimeters. Now I'll switch to the part design workplace. I need to close the sketch. Next I'll turn this into a 3D shape. I'll create the geometry to get the outline. Now I'll draw 4 rectangles for the slots. I'll set them to be equal in size. They should also be aligned. I'm going to arrange the rectangles so they sit in the right place. I use vertical constraints to make them straight. More vertical constraints make them all line up. Now, when I change the height or the width, all the rectangles adjust the same way. Then I set the distance between each rectangle so they have the same space. These measurements are from the creator of the tutorial I'm following. They are right for the SD card holder. I also added the measurements from the top and the side, but the part was cut out of the video. I didn't record the previous lines. I need to constrain them. I'll make all the lines equal so every rectangle is the same. So I created a line like the previous lines, the blue line, the blue dotted line, and I mirrored around that line. And then all the measurements I need to copy, I need to constrain them. Make all the lines equal, make every rectangle the same. I struggled a bit. Now I need to make the rectangles cut out of the previous rectangle. This measurement is also from the creator. I changed the settings to Tinkercad settings. Let's export this and get it ready to print. When the model was done, I wanted to round the corners. I'm doing that now with the fillets tool. I added some fillets to see what looks best. Let's export this and get it ready to print. Here are the two models in Bamboo Studio. Of course, I like the one with the rounded corners better. Here you see it on the printer. I hope you liked this video. I would love it if you subscribed, liked, commented, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!